This NEEWER Softbox Kit delivers bright, daylight balanced continuous lighting that is ideal for portraits, product shots, and video work in a home or small studio. The two generously sized softboxes produce smooth, even illumination that greatly reduces harsh shadows and gives subjects a flattering, professional look. Each efficient light bulb matches the output of a much stronger incandescent lamp while staying cool to the touch, which makes long shooting sessions more comfortable and safer. The tall aluminum alloy light stands feel sturdy in use and offer quick height adjustments so you can position the lights precisely without fighting with the hardware. Everything packs into the included carrying bag, making this setup easy to store at home or transport between locations without leaving pieces behind. For creators who want a simple, reliable way to upgrade their lighting without complicated controls, this kit offers an excellent balance of quality, power, and ease of use.